Hi, my name is Imran Akhtar. I am an orthopedic surgeon with St. Peter's Orthopedics. If you have problems in your knees or hips, you're going to come see me. So we're starting a new orthopedic department here, and it's very exciting because everything is getting built from the ground up. I think we're going to set the standard. We will be the new benchmark for orthopedics in the Capital District. We will be able to deliver even better results in surgical treatment. We have much better technology and we can fix you and get you moving. You have to understand that they're coming in because there's a problem, and show them this is why you're having this trouble and these are our options. The first thing I try to do is see if there is any question about the procedure. We're on the same team. My goal, and so is yours, is to get a good outcome so we can get you back to whatever you enjoy doing. I specialize in minimally invasive hip surgeries. So that's one of the advances that's come about in the last decade or so is you can make a smaller incision, there's less blood loss, there is less pain and less damage to muscles. In the 80s, they might have spent 2 weeks in the hospital, and when I was training, they might have spent 3 days in the hospital, and now they're in their home in 3 hours. And that's what's incredible about my specialty is I can really see the difference. Their pain is much better, they're able to walk, they can get around, and so that instant relief that we were able to provide as if they had no injury, that's incredible.